Hey, what's up? Today I want to show you how to do a Greek style one pot chicken and potatoes dish. It's a recipe, very traditional here in Greece, and it is chicken with lemony oregano potatoes done on the stovetop. Like I said, one pot, one glorious meal. So to start us off for this, I am using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I love the flavor of chicken thighs. It is one of my most favorite parts of the chicken. And all I'm gonna do is first we're gonna brown it off. So I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to my pan, and by a little, I'm talking about a quarter cup of olive oil. And I'm gonna take my chicken thighs and I'll put them skin side down first, and I want to brown them and bring out their flavors like that. Hopefully, they'll all fit in this pan. If not, we'll just have to do like a double dose. Perfect, just like that. Now, the next thing is I'm gonna just real quick wash my hands. I handled raw chicken with my hands and I don't wanna kind of cross-contaminate everything. So in my pan is gonna go a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper around. Pepper is good. Pepper makes everything better. And we're just gonna let this chicken brown off and do its thing. So now what I've done actually is taken my potatoes, cut them up into fairly large chunks, and just place them in my pan here, or my pot, so I can brown them off in all that delicious, beautiful flavor. You really don't need to watch me cut up potatoes, but you know what? You get a pretty good idea of what this is. So, and remember, this is all that beautiful, delicious flavor of the chicken that was browning as well. So now, while our potatoes continue to brown, I'm gonna take one onion, and all I'm gonna do is very simply just start cutting it up into my sauteing potatoes. And this is, my God, it's already starting to smell in here fantastic. Perfect. And just start cutting up your onion into little bits. And this is the way they actually showed me here in Greece. This is how they do it. They don't really finely chop their onions. They kind of do it this style. And if they think it works, believe me when I tell you, it works for me too. So, perfect. Give those a quick little stir in there. And absolutely fantastic. Next thing in here, salt. A little salt and a little bit of pepper as well. So now we're just gonna let our potatoes and our onions saute for about 5 or 6 more minutes. All right, look at my potatoes now. My potatoes have started to bring out that golden brown color that's like so delicious, flavorful with my onion sauteing in there. It is just a bunch of happiness going on. Now, next part of this recipe, I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm just gonna throw it in there and just put it on like an even layer around the pot that you're using, just like that. Perfect. Just like that. Next step, I'm gonna do about a solid tablespoon or so of my dried Greek oregano. This is the flavor profile of this dish. It is absolutely fantastic. And I'm gonna take some water, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna put in enough water to cover everything up, just like that. So now this will cook partially covered for about a half hour, 35 minutes, give or take. Our water will evaporate, it will get absorbed with all that goodness, and this dish will be pretty much ready to go. All right, so about half an hour has gone by. My meal is pretty much ready to go. It's looking absolutely fantastic. You can see everything's thickened up because of the starches of the potatoes. Now, my chicken is cooked right through. The last and final step of this recipe, and it is probably one of the most important steps, is fresh lemon. And for this, I'm gonna pick, or actually, I picked this lemon from my lemon tree not that long ago, actually a few minutes ago. And all I'm gonna do is take the juice of one lemon, pits and all. This is Greek food, okay? We eat the pits, we eat everything. So you're gonna take the juice of one lemon just like that. Also, for Pete's sake, please don't use that like bottled lemon shit, that fake stuff that's out there. It is absolutely horrid. Okay, it's not real lemon, that's glass cleaner, okay? So this goes in there just like that. And all I'm gonna do really is just stir the pot like this. Just give it a little bit of a twist, and my meal is ready. Now you know this is gonna be like hot. It's like right out of the, right off the hob. Look at my potato, look at this. Oh my God. That is so good, that potato. Oh my gosh. Take a little of my chicken. My lemon and oregano chicken. The potatoes are so lemony. Mm. 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 My Theas would be so proud right now. My grandmother used to make this for us when I was like a kid coming to Greece. And this is the recipe. This is it, my friends. So simple. Potato, chicken, lemon, oregano, olive oil, an onion for good measure. Done. You have a meal that is absolutely fantastic. So that's it for this episode on my Greek style chicken with lemony oregano potatoes on the stovetop, all one pot. Super delicious and not that hard to make at all. I thank you so much for your time in watching this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. I love having our little community grow. So until next time, check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com for more of these recipes. And I will see you on the next one. Bye from Greece.